William has me practicing my singing. We're in a competition with each other right now. All right, here we go. First one up is your name. Hopefully you did that. I wanted to remind you again on your quiz to make sure you put your name, because if you don't, I have no way of knowing who you are. So you get a 0% because it looks like you didn't do it. Okay, so make sure you always type your name. Don't leave it blank. Alrighty, round to the nearest underlined digit. Yesterday we reviewed, you can use your rounding roller coaster. I don't like that roller coaster. I'm gonna make it better. There we go. You can use a number line. You can use the rhyme, 4 or less, give it a rest. 5 or more, raise the score. Okay. Any of these 3 strategies will help you when rounding. I do not care which one you use, as long as you use one that is effective for yourself. Okay. We are rounding to the nearest tens, which means the ones are going to be the bossy little sibling. Remember, the smaller place value is in charge. 346 is between 340, and our next 10 is 350. Remember, we say the name of that first benchmark number when we call the number out, 346. So 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345. That's my benchmark number. I'm going to put that on there. It's my halfway point. 346. Beep, 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 beep. That's where I am on my roller coaster. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. So then we go 347, 348, 349, 350. So here I am on my roller coaster. Guess what's going to happen? I'm going to go forward. I am much closer to 350 than I am to 340. Look how much longer I would have to go to get all the way back to 340. So 350 is your correct answer. This rounds to 350. You need a 10 here because the tens place is underlined. All right. Questions about rounding? No. Leah.
I don't have a question.
Oh, your hand was up. Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Multiply or divide. This is dividing, and your answer should have been 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. I could have made 3 groups and then put 1 in each group until I got to 12, which would take 4 items. Okay, questions on that one? Leveroni.
So like when we're doing that, I don't really get it too much because I always do the plain dividing.
What do you mean by the plain dividing? Say more for me.
Like not like using other things so I get it done. Cause when I always do it, I always just use the problem and that's all. I don't use anything else.
So you're saying you have these memorized now? You're using your fact fluency?
Yes.
That is fine. Fact fluency is great. That's what our goal is to get to the point that we just have this memorized. So okay. That's wonderful news. Okay.
Friday.
All right. Thank you for checking in.
Do we have school on Friday?
Yes, for your quiz on Friday. That is tomorrow. The answer to this kind of problem is called a quotient. The answer to division problems are called quotients. 5 says, find the missing equation for the fact family. This is just like it was yesterday where it tripped some of y'all up because it has the same numbers. We have 9 times 3 equals 27. So 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. So we have 2 division equations, but we only have 1 multiplication equation. So we're missing a multiplication equation. So I'm going to get rid of the 2 division right away. I know that 3 times 9 does equal 27. 27 times 9 would not be as small as 3. If I have 27 items and I repeat that 9 times, that's going to be way more than 3 items. So my correct answer was option 1. Questions about this one? No. Steve Rogers, do your legs have any questions? All righty, 6. I have 64 toys. I want to divide evenly. How many will go in each bucket? So I could draw 64 little tiny things, but that's going to take me forever. So I'm going to use a better strategy. I'm going to look at partitioning. I know that 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40. Okay, so I can put 10 in each group, and then I will have 24 left. Now I can divide 24 into the 4 buckets. And I know that 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6 because I'm getting good at my fact fluency. So I'm going to put 6 inside of each bucket. So altogether, each bucket has 16 items inside of it. Now to check my work, I'm going to add 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16, and I'm going to see if it equals 64. 6, 12, 18, 24. Put down my 4, carry my 2 10s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And would you look at that? It does. Yay. So your correct answer is 16 items inside of each bucket. Beautiful. 7. Here we go on number 7. Mr. McKinney needs to buy a piece of glass to cover a picture of his wife. The picture is 8 inches wide. Boop. Boop. And 10 inches long. Boop. Boop. How many square inches of glass, square, that tells me I'm going to be doing area, will Mr. McKinney need to buy to cover the picture? Mr. McKinney will need to buy a piece of glass that has an area, oh, look at that, it says it in the question, of blank. Area is equal to length times width. My length is 10. My width is 8. 10 times 8 equals 80. So he will need 80 inches squared, not feet. A lot of you clicked on 80 feet because you didn't read the dang label. Square inches. Look right here. It says inches. Inches. Okay? Look a third time. Inches. Wow. All right. Your DMR quiz is tomorrow at 12:45. So make sure you are prepared for it. Here we go. I have some okay news. It's not good. It's not bad. It's just okay. All right. And here's the news. The news is that I had bad information the first time we took this test. We were told to log in a certain way and we followed those directions. And then we were told later those directions were wrong. Okay. The good news is that the directions that we did follow weren't wasted. You got the test halfway done. Yay. So you're halfway done. Okay. The, I guess, bad news is that we still have to do the other half. Okay. So today we're going to finish up this Illuminate testing. The good news again is this part is very small. It won't take you a long time. Okay. So before we start, I need everybody to go grab a piece of paper and something to write with so that you can solve your math problems. Hold it up to the camera when you have it.
What about a notebook?
That's perfect. You can do it in a notebook. So just something to write on and something to write with. Beautiful. Leah's good. Josh is good. Aiden's good. Aiden's good. Levin's good. Christopher's good. Sinchu. That's very creative, Sinchu. I like it. Sinchu is good. Oscar's getting it. Steve Rogers has it. It's very close. Awesome. Levin is returning. Jalen, welcome. Jalen, go grab a piece of paper and something to write with. Piece of paper, something to write with. Go grab it, Jalen. All right. Go, Jalen, go. Piece of paper, something to write with. Go get it. Go, 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 go. All right. Awesome. Oscar, you there yet? Oscar. He's hurrying. He shook his head no. Here he goes with the Minecraft jammies. I love them. I'm so comfortable in my pajamas, guys. It's a great day today. All right, awesome. So you have something to write with and you have a writing utensil, okay? Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to give yourself a nice hug, and I want you to keep hugging yourself the entire time I'm showing you these directions, because I want to make sure this is the last time we have to take the test. And if you start doing it, we might mess up, and then you'll have to take it a third time. So hug yourself. Show me those hands hugging yourself. Hug, 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 hug. Keep hugging yourself. Josh, are you hugging yourself? Levin, are you hugging yourself? Okay, good. Josh, both hands. 2 hand hugs. 2 hand hugs. That's 1 hand. 2 hand hugs. Okay, good. All right. Keep hugging yourself, okay? Now, here's what's going to happen. Look, you're just looking. You're not doing, because if you do, we might do it wrong, and then we got to do it again. So just look. Hug, 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 hug. Here we go. In a minute, not yet, I'm going to give you the link to LT Schools. You're going to click on that Illuminate like we did last time. You're going to sign in with Google like we did last time. Hug, 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 hug. Don't click yet. Okay. You're going to continue to Portal like we did last time. You're going to click on FastBridge like we did last time. Here's where the mistake was. You are not going to click on more tests. Do not. Okay. You're just going to click right here where it says Fast Track Math. So after you click on FastBridge, you're going to click on Fast Track Math. You are not going to click on more tests. Okay? Got it? Then when you are done, you're going to upload a screenshot of your finished testing screen. Okay? All right. You can stop hugging yourself now. I'm going to send you this link. There we go. Okay. Hi, John. We are getting ready to take a test. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Refresh. There we go. Control copy. Okay, here we go. I'm going to send this link to you in the chat. Levin, a question.
You gonna do we still have a quiz on Friday?
Yes, you do.
Well, I might not be here for Friday.
Okay, well then you'll have time to finish it over break. All right, click on that link, guys. When you get there, you're going to click on that orange Illuminate button, okay? That's going to bring you to the login screen. You're going to click on Sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. It says what? Yes, I just removed the blocking just now. Try it again. Thank you, Steve. Or Steve, you're Josh. Thank you, Josh. Okay. Once you click sign in with Google, you're going to click on that blue button that says continue to portal. Blue button, continue to portal. You're going to go to FastBridge. Good. I see a lot of you there. And then you're going to click right there on that math icon that's right there under your name. It says your name and it's got that math icon. You're going to click on it.